Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today I'm going to show you how to thicken water for tie-dye. I got this sodium alginate off of Amazon, and there's a link for it down below in the description box. I believe Dharma also sells some. I mix 1 teaspoon of the sodium alginate to 1 cup of hot tap water, warm to hot. It doesn't need to be boiling hot. Just the warmer, the hotter the water. It really does seem to help the alginate dissolve a lot easier. And then I'm going to use my immersion blender, which there's also a link for that down below in the description box. It's a must when trying to mix this stuff. Trying to shake it in the bottle, it just doesn't dissolve. It gets very clumpy. I set a timer on my phone for 30 minutes and we'll come back and we'll see what it looks like. I'm trying to show you what the consistency is, and it's hard to see with this overhead view, but it's pretty runny at this point. It thickens over time, so the longer it sits, the thicker it's going to become. It's been 30 minutes and I'm pretty happy with the consistency, so I'm going to pour it into my bottle. What I don't use up today, I'm just going to set the whole bottle in my fridge. It can sit in the fridge for a couple, 2-3 weeks. It will start to mold though, so you just got to keep your eye on it. I should also mention, now is the point where if you want it thicker, add more sodium alginate. If it's too thick, add more water. There is no rhyme or reason, no right or wrong answer. Just do what works for you. This is what works for me. Well, that's that, guys. It's just that simple to make thick water. So don't be intimidated by it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.